We're going to see if we could get big fluffy hair today. Alright, y'all know I'm trying to get big hair, right? So what I did was I combed out my twist out. You know I always got my pot on the side. I combed out my twist out, put it to the back, and this is what I ended up with. So this is me in my pursuit for big hair. My pursuit of big hair. You know I'm trying to get a bush. I am trying to get a bush. Yes, I am. And I am going to keep trying until I get that big round bush. Don't ask me why or how, but I believe that I can do it if I keep trying. I believe I can bush. So, you know me. It's not a love your hair video if you don't do the 360. Look at that. Girl, get big up there. So this is me going big. This is the biggest I've ever been. So here we go. See, I'm more of a tame, natural. I really don't do big. Ah, sister then went big. Look at that. Oh. I think I'm satisfied with this. Oh my goodness, look at this big. Whoa. These are the results of me separating, shaking out, and everything else. Still kept my definition though. I like that part. Okay. You know me. I can't do anything without a 360. Alright, shaking out and everything. Just trying to get it bigger. It's not working. I'm done with trying to get big hair. Because me trying to get big hair is the reason why I had to clip those ends. Pulling that thing apart, teasing it, picking it. My little end said no. No. I had so much breakage messing with that. Look, hey, this is where I'm at. This is it. This is as big as I'm going. I'll let it do its own thing when it does its own thing, but I'm not picking, teasing, pulling. I'm not taking my tresses through that. Sorry. So, we're going to be happy with the hair we have. We're going to love the hair we have. I don't have big, full, voluptuous hair. That's not what I have. I do not have that thick, gorgeous 4. Y'all seen my 4C envy. I love 4C hair. Like, oh my goodness. But I don't have it. I have 3 and some change. For real, I have 4F. Forever mine. It does what it does, and I'm not going to try to be what I'm not. And I'm not a big full hair person. My hair does what my hair does, and me trying to get it to do what it doesn't do is only damaging my hair. So, you will not see me with no big fro. because my hair doesn't do that. You will not see me with those beautiful, oh my goodness, those beautiful 4C curls. That's voluptuous and that's, oh, big hair don't care. My hair doesn't do that. So this is what my hair does. I am not going to torture my hair. I am going to love the hair I have. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button because I will be uploading a video every week. Bye, hair lovers.